I'm going to discuss about constants in C. Before that, please subscribe my channel, friends, for more updates and videos. So, we'll discuss about constants in C. So, a constant is a value or variable that cannot be changed in the program. For example, 10, 20, letter A, 3.4, C programming, etc. So there are different types of constants. See, a constant a constant is a value or variable that can't be changed in the program. For example, 10, 20, A, letter A, 3.4, C programming, etc. So like this, we have different letters and numbers and sentences. So a constant is a value or a variable that cannot be changed in the program. Okay, and there are different types of constants in C programming. There are different types of constants in C programming. So example, we have decimal constant. For this example, I can provide 10, 20, 450, etc. like this. And we have real or floating point constant. Real or floating point. For this example, will be you will have 10.3, 20.2, 2, okay, and 450.6 like this. So these are the floating point constants, etc. Okay, so these are the floating point constants and real or floating point constant. And next one is octal constant. We have octal constant. Octal constant will be like this: 0 x 2 a 0 x 7 b like this, etc. Okay, and we have the character constant. Mostly we'll use decimal or floating point or character constant. Okay, so for this we have letter A, B, X, etc. And next we have string constant. Here I am going to store example C program. We can store the sentence, okay, like this, etc. Okay. And there are two ways to define constant in C. We have two ways. to define constant in C. What are those two ways? One is const keyword will define, and second one is hash define will write preprocessor. So these are the two ways to define a constant in C programming. So first one if you see const keyword is used to define constant in C programming. Okay, see this const keyword is used to define const keyword in C programming. So if you see here example, we'll define like this: const float pi equal to 3.14. So like this we can define, equal to we have to write here. Okay, so const is the keyword and float is a data type. Okay, or else you can say reserved keyword, and pi is a variable name and 3.14 is a value. So this value cannot be changed because we are defining here const keyword. Const means, already I said the definition, a constant value is a value or variable that cannot be changed in the program once you declared const keyword in the program. So now the value of the pi variable cannot be changed here. Now the value of pi variable cannot be changed. Okay, so if you see, I will show one example on constant. You can see this program hash. Now I am executing the program using constants. Okay, hash include stdio.h, hash include conio.h, void main I'm writing here. Then afterwards you have to open the bracket, write const keyword and writing float, define that pi variable equal to 3.14. Okay, now I will print that pi value. Printf the value of pi is %f comma pi. Okay, this is a simple example on constant, and you will get the output as the value of pi is you get 3.14. So this is a float value you are getting that much. Okay, so float value you are getting. So here I declared the constant float pi value. Pi I am storing 3.14. That pi only I am printing using %f because I declared here float as a data type. So I am using format specifier as %f, and whatever the value is there here, that only I am passing, and the value of pi is 3.414 I am printing here. Okay, and this cannot be changed. This value will be fixed to the entire program because this is a constant. Okay, suppose if you want to change the value to be suppose I wrote pi equal to, after defining 3.14 also I am writing pi equal to, again I want to try to modify the value, pi equal to 4.5 I am writing. What will happen? You will get the output as, forget about this one, this is the previous one. Suppose I am trying to change the value of pi after defining constant also, then you will get the compile time error. Output will come as compile time error. What it will tell means, it will tell that cannot modify a const object because it is a fixed. If you try to change the value also, it will not be changed. Okay, that is about constant. That's why I'm telling here, a constant is a value or a variable that cannot be changed in the program once you defined. Okay, so cannot modify. If you try to change, you'll get the error as cannot modify a constant object. Okay, and the second one you have is hash define preprocessor. What is this? The hash define preprocessor is also used to define constant. Okay, it is also define constant. How it will define constant? See, hash it is also used to define constant. If you see one example, you can try it like this syntax. Hash define token value. So if you see the example, hash include stdio.h, hash include code.h. If you write void main, and before that only you should define that hash. On the top only you should define, top of the program, like how you are including library, like that you have to define here. Define by 3.14 you should define directly here. Okay, like library files we have to define. That is called a preprocessor, and you can print directly here. Printf, right here as %f comma y. If you see the output, the same output will be getting if you compile and if you run. 14. Okay, so this is a example of a hash define processor, friends. This is one more constant to define like this on the top of the program, like library files. Then use this value entire program, but this value cannot be changed if you try to change also. This is also one kind of constant. So there are two types of constants. Okay, one is const keyword and another one is const keyword, one is hash define processor. Okay, this is about constants, friends. Thank you, friends. Please subscribe my channel.